Hello everyone, I'm Oliver Kovács, a composer from Hungary. In this video tutorial I'll show you how to compose a music piece in a Christmas mood. This video will cover the orchestration, the chord progression, and everything you need to know about this topic. Let's get started. I think the steady 4/4 time rhythm is excellent for a Christmas piece. The 120 BPM tempo is lively, but not too rushed. I chose E major because it works perfectly for the choir, as the melody in this key avoids too many extremely high notes. In my opinion, the Christmas vibe is based on both the orchestration and the chord progression. Some basic chord pairs can help you achieve this Christmas mood, and of course, using certain instruments also enhances the effect. The first chord pair I used to create the Christmas mood is a half diminished seventh on the second degree, followed by a major triad on the tonic. It's a common solution, I heard it in many pieces, so let's listen to it. The second chord pair is a minor chord on the fifth degree, resolving to a major chord on the tonic. My advice is to try using chord progressions and chord pairs that are joyful and slightly mystical. Experiment with different combinations, and I bet you'll find the perfect solutions. Of course, listening to and analyzing this type of music can also be quite rewarding. When it comes to Christmas music, a choir is one of the best choices. A choir, especially a women's choir, conveys a majestic and joyful feeling when combined with the proper melody and chord progression. Try to incorporate sleigh bells and mallets when selecting percussion instruments. In my example, the violins play above the choir, while the cellos and double basses provide bass notes with octave doubling. The viola voices form harmonies, a clarinet follows the upper voice, and the bassoon supports the lower voice. All the instruments play in legato articulation. As you'll hear, the violin voices aren't steady and constant. They contribute not only to the harmony, but also to the rhythm. The same applies to the cellos and double basses. Let's listen to the string section. The French horns and tenor trombones play in harmony. I didn't use the bass trombone or the tuba as I felt they would have introduced too many low tones for a Christmas piece. The brass instruments add the majestic mood to the arrangement and enhance the climaxes. The flutes play above the main melody in legato and trills. One of the clarinets and the bassoon supports the viola voices. The sleigh bells and celesta provide the sparkling, crystal sound that is essential for Christmas music. I used bass drum rolls and timpani to emphasize the climaxes. Let's listen to the percussion instruments. If you found this video lesson interesting and helpful, you can support me by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, subscribing, or even buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching. Thank you all for your support this year. I wish you a Merry Christmas. See you soon.